If your children are still non-verbal or do not want to talk about their feelings, I will share a non-intimidating way to help you kickstart conversations with your little ones. Hello, welcome to Motivation Monday, episode 5. As a parenting coach, I share many strategies with parents to help them better communicate with their children. But one question often pops up. What if my child can't talk yet? In this video, I will explain how you can encourage your children to talk and share about their feelings using this color booklet that I found from the HP website. You can download this printable for free from the HP website too. I have added the link in the description box below. At home, I use the HP printer and the HP Instant Ink subscription service simply because it has provided so much convenience for me. I no longer have to check ink levels, order or buy ink because the entire process is automated. HP will automatically detect that my printer is running low on ink and will send me the cartridges to my doorstep. Plus, I get to save up to 50% on ink cartridges. I've also learned that HP Instant Ink is a more sustainable option because the ink cartridges require less packaging and few shipments. You can also recycle responsibly by returning your cartridges. A prepaid recycling satchel is included for the used cartridges, and the cartridges are recycled with zero waste to landfill. HP is now offering 3 months of free ink if you own or purchase any of HP's eligible printer. Click the link in the description below to sign up for HP Instant Ink. If you're wondering, can my toddler even understand what I'm saying? He can't even talk yet. I want to assure you that your little ones are listening and learning. Do you know that children first develop the receptive language before the expressive language? Receptive language refers to the understanding of the expressions and words of others, while expressive language refers to the child's ability to express themselves. This means that if you want your child to communicate and have some form of output, then you need to give them some input. The way to do that is to create a communication-rich environment by constantly talking to your children face to face. Read to them, point out signs, words and numbers around you, and even narrating what you are doing. For example, I am going to change the diaper for you. Let me first remove your blue pants. Oh, your diaper is so full. All of us want to feel understood, including our children. For non-verbal children who are not spontaneously initiating or responding to conversations, or if children have limited vocabulary and communication skills, they are the ones who often feel misunderstood. As a result, children communicate their frustrations by displaying tricky behaviors. To avoid these misunderstandings, you can offer options and let your little ones point out what they want. This is another way to develop expressive language. For example, you can use colors and drawings to better understand your little ones. I printed this color booklet from the HP website. I first fold and cut the pages, fold it into a booklet before getting my child to add the colors. You can use this opportunity to introduce colors to your toddlers too. To turn this into a feelings booklet, I added faces to the colors. Example, angry face on red, delighted face on yellow, etc. So each time your child is having big feelings, for example, if he's angry, you can bring out the color booklet and show him, you are angry. Which color shows me that you're angry? Can you point it to me? Labeling emotions is the first step to learning emotion regulation. By using this color booklet, your child has the opportunity to label his emotions by pointing the feelings out to you. I recommend using this booklet with an accompanying feelings book so that children can better connect the colors and the associated emotions. One of the best ways to develop expressive language is to role model good communication to your little ones. Use both your body and voice while speaking to your little ones, such as waving or reaching your hands out to them. You can also increase their vocabulary by reading aloud to them or singing songs. Try using this color booklet to kickstart conversations with your little ones. I have added the printable link in the description below. If you enjoy these little nuggets of information, don't forget to like the video, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I have more videos. I'm Jacinth and I'll see you next week for our Motivation Monday series.